Hi, Boo.
Hey, everyone.
We are exploring Santa Monica and the Venice Canals on the upcoming episode of
BoosCruize.
BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Okay, guys, so
We are at the Venice Beach Canals. Basically, it's a canal in Venice Beach. And it has some beautiful homes on either side of it. But
I've never seen it before.
it's very nice.
Yeah.
I've been here before, but a lot of movies take place here. Like, you may be familiar with it. But it's very pretty and something that we haven't done. So we were like, might as well show them something that they haven't seen.
It like goes along all the way, and then people have kayaks or whatever, so you can
Kayak if you want
kayak
to.
down to other people's. Oh, also it is pandemic, so we do have our masks.
We have our masks, but, but everyone, like, no one's really near us.
Yeah, we're literally by ourselves.
Oh,
So. Oh yeah, it's so awesome. So, movies that are filmed here, some Nightmare on Elm Street.
Oh yeah, well, y'all know that's my favorite. But that was filmed here at that bridge. It's like 3 bridges. It's one of the bridges.
Yes.
But it's just something that we thought we can do today and get out the house and do
just
something different.
Get out and about. All right.
All right, we'll be back when there's more. Along the Boardwalk area.
I love that it's
This is basically near Venice Beach. We've shown you Venice Beach before.
Yeah, I don't.
This is just we're gonna go around bars and restaurants.
Yeah, I can't
basically.
remember. Did we film Venice Beach?
I don't remember. I know we
think
came.
we did. Yeah,
we
we
didn't.
But yeah, this is near Venice Beach, and it's like so busy.
There's a lot of people out, but it's Venice Beach is a tourist area, so you would probably see more people out here than normal.
And you guys will be able to see the ocean too. Oh, look at this baby Frenchie, babe. How
Can you see the
cute.
Frenchie? Oh,
The baby right here. Oh.
Very cute.
Oh, let's see. Let's get that breeze.
So, and then there is the beach.
Oh my gosh.
And they have a little pier area here.
Yeah.
And a bike rental. So yeah, we were wondering, like, if everyone who had a bike was like renting a bike or if they owned it. But
Right,
clearly there's
exactly.
a bike
Oh,
rental.
pier's closed.
Of course.
Right, which is totally okay.
It's okay, but
Totally
it's gonna
safe.
be closed. But then you have like these sidewalks that are filled with people, which is kind of defeats the purpose. But whatever.
Right. At least they're not like, I guess you can duck and dodge.
Right.
Oh, guys. Okay, do you see all these like little pop-up tents that people have there? We just ordered one of those today. For
We
our
ordered a
beach
tent.
day.
Hopefully it's not that small. We wanted a large enough tent, but we'll see when it comes.
Well, it's just because we don't want to get burned if we want to spend an entire day at the beach. But yeah, hopefully it's a little bigger. But if it's not, if it were that size, I guess I'd be okay with it.
That
because,
looks like it though.
Yeah, I would be okay with it because we're just putting our chairs in it, just to give us a little shade and you know.
Right.
Yeah, that's gonna be our life soon. You guys, we're gonna take you along with us. Oh my goodness, it is, guys. There's a heat wave happening in LA. It's been pretty warm.
It's like it's not that hot right now.
No, it's not too bad by the way.
But we're us at our house. That's why we left. 'Cause we were very hot. So
Yes.
we're like, let's get out the house.
And in the valley, it's like 106.
We don't live there anymore.
I am not sad that we left the valley because oh my
Yeah.
goodness, beautiful. So this is Venice Beach, guys.
Venice Beach.
Gorgeous.
So we're at this bike rental, and they have more than just bikes. Actually, they have mountain bikes, cruisers, choppers, tandems, electric bikes, kid bikes, fiberglass boards. So pretty much everything's here. Pause it if you want to see.
A
the
wetsuit.
options.
Guys, hey, the water is very cold here, so wetsuits are pretty cool. That's awesome that it's a flat, $10 flat rate with a board rental. Okay, all right.
Not bad. And this is
Surfboard.
Venice Beach Rentals. If you guys ever choose to come,
Yeah.
but we're not renting any bikes.
No.
They're just showing it to you.
We're waiting for one of Jarrell's friends. We can figure out some place to maybe eat something outside. Maybe I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see. So everybody, if you haven't been to LA and been to Venice Beach, then this is basically what Venice Beach is. Basically just a lot of shops and stores selling things.
Some tennis.
People playing tennis, weightlifters, bodybuilders, and things like that. It's not as busy as it usually is due to the pandemic, but it's still pretty busy. It's a tourist area, so.
For sure. Like you go down here to do your little tours, whatever, and then you're like, done. Oh, there's a music video shooting.
Yeah, but normally this is where you come, you drink, you eat, you have fun, you go to the beach.
You shoot a music video.
You do all that. And it's fun. I see why people come here. And it has a lot of culture.
But if you live here, you probably don't do it often because it's busy.
I didn't
and
do
parking
it
is a disaster.
Well, on a weekend. Come to a weekend. It's not that bad. No. But yeah, so this is Venice Beach, and if you do come visit during this pandemic, it's pretty much fine.
Oh yeah, look, they closed down the.
Oh, this is the
workout area.
The gym. So the gym is closed.
Because usually there's like a bunch of like weight benches and all kind of stuff over here.
Oh,
but
not anymore.
Right now.
But yeah, Venice Beach. Come if you are willing.
Have a mask.
And have a mask.